everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download Blender on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Download Blender for Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you can see Download Blender 4.1.1 button, click on it. After that, your download has been started. Now it may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you'll get a pop-up like this, click on it. Now here you have to drag the Blender logo into the application. Now your install is completed. Now go to Launchpad and here you can see Blender app. And following this simple step, you can now enjoy this Blender application on your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics.